8 liters are drawn from a cask full of wine and is then filled with water. This operation is performed 3 more times. The ratio of the quantity of wine now left in the cask to that of the water is 16 is to 65. How much wine did the cask hold originally? Now, we have this ratio. So let's assume that the wine left is 16x and the water proportion now is 65x. Okay. Now, initially, the cask was full of wine. Okay. So that means we can add this 16x plus 65x because this complete water was nothing but wine originally. So the original quantity of wine we can say is nothing but 16x plus 65x, that is 81x. Okay. Now we can have a simple formula, that is wine left is equal to initial quantity of wine multiplied by 1 minus. Now let's assume y as the replaced quantity. So 1 minus y upon the original quantity, that is 81x, raised to n, where n is the number of times the liquid is replaced. Okay. So originally it is y upon 81x. Okay. That part is removed. Okay. So let's substitute values now. Now here y is 8. Okay. Because 8 liters are drawn and replaced with water. So wine left, now we have 16x is equal to initial quantity, that is the original quantity, equal to 81x into 1 minus 8 upon 81x raised to 4, because it is done once and performed 3 more times. So 1 plus 3, that is 4 times. So raised to 4. So x gets cancelled out. So we have here 16 upon 81. We can also write this down as 2 upon 3 raised to 4, because 16 is 2 raised to 4, 81 is 3 raised to 4. So this is equal to 1 minus 8 upon 81x raised to 4. Now on both sides, left and right, we have raised to 4. So taking the fourth root, we have 2 upon 3 is equal to 1 minus 8 upon 81x. So minus 8 upon 81x, we bring on the left hand side. So that becomes plus. Let's write it down a bit over here. So 8 upon 81x is equal to, it becomes 1 minus 2 by 3, that is 1 by 3. Okay. So 8 upon 81x equal to 1 by 3. We want the value for 81x. So 81x is equal to 8 threes are, that is 24. So the original quantity of wine was 24 liters. So that's our answer.